What is going on, guys? Welcome back to a new video. Today we're going to be working on a project here with the box model. It's going to be Davie's Burgers here, the website. So in this project you will follow step-by-step instructions to fix a fictional restaurant's website. All of the HTML and most of the CSS is intact, but the box model properties have yet to be set. You'll use the knowledge of height, width, padding, border, and margin to complete this project. The website's existing index.html and style.css files are displayed in the text editor to the right. As you work, use both to see which elements you are selecting and styling. Most of the elements that you'll need to add styles for already have rule sets in style.css to which you can add additional declarations. If we get stuck, we can either use the AI or we can get the project walkthrough. So let's get right into it. Right, so you'll go through Davie's Burgers menu, item roughly from top to bottom. Let's begin with styling the nav element containing the logo and the navigation right here. Set the width of the image. Let's find the image. Where is the image? Okay, right here. Okay, yeah. Set the image, width of the image, horizontal. I'm trying to think. Are they talking about the image of the nav? I'm guessing so, yeah. Alright. Let's see. Okay, so image. So we're gonna set the width to be 180 pixels. And then center the image horizontally using the margin property. Okay, so margin, we'll do 0 and then we'll do auto. Alright, sorry. Let's go ahead and see. I don't know if we can. Yeah, can we get a? I'm trying to think. I don't think it's supposed to be like that. Selector, margin, 0 auto, yeah. That's what I have. It's weird, okay. That's weird that it's not horizontally centered, but okay. Let's move on, okay. Let's see. Alright, set the margin of span. Margin. So the 10 pixels and then 0 pixels for the bottom. There you go. And then did that. And then now set some rules for the elements with the class content. This is the container for all the elements not included in nav. For the content class, and then we'll do set the height to 500 pixels, which you can just do by typing height colon 500 px, and then create a 10 pixel vertical margin and a automatic horizontal margin. So we can do margin, and you can just simply type in 10 pixels, and then you can set an automatic for that. And then set the dot body elements inside the content to have no vertical margin and automatic margin centered. Let's see. Let's see. Okay, set dot body elements. Dot body. Dot content body. Okay. Let's see. Dot content body. And we have inside of the dot content to have no vertical margin. Okay, so we'll do margin and we'll do 0. And so we'll do auto for that one so that it is centered. Okay, perfect. There you go. Just went ahead and centered that, so we're good on that step. And then with a 500 pixels, let's see. Okay, with a 500 pixels height for the dot content, yeah. Some of the elements will overflow of its box if the browser window is made too small. Make a dot content scrollable. So we'll do overflow and we'll do scroll for this one. And then resize the browser so it's very skinny and you notice that the section is scrollable. Let me save. And then you guys notice how it's very skinny. You see it's scrollable right there. There you go. You can scroll sideways. We're good on that. And now it's time to tackle the dot header and the H1 text, which says BBQ Bacon Burger. So set the height of the dot header class to height. Gonna have it to 320 pixels. And then you will also have a create a 20 pixel padding. Excuse me, so padding of the 20 pixels, like so. Okay, starting to look good. Okay, and then we'll do set the vertical margins to 0 and the horizontal margins to be automatic. Okay, so we'll do margin and we'll do 0 and auto like always, and it looks so much nicer now, right? Okay. Alright, so we're good on that, and then now add some box model formatting to the order now. Some order now, okay. So the dot button, as you make changes, make sure to scroll down if necessary to view the changes. Cool. Alright, so let's go ahead and do the dot button. So we're gonna go ahead and do width to 200 pixels. You're gonna set the padding to 20 pixels. You're gonna set the vertical margin to 40 pixels and the horizontal to be auto. And then we're gonna give it a 1 pixel, so 1 pixel solid and blue for the border. That looks so much nicer now, does it not, guys? That is actually beautiful. That button now looks actually clickable. Actually looks very, very nice. Okay. It's very, very nice. Okay. And then, yeah, so we're good with that step. And then finally, style the nutrition facts at the bottom. You guys have noticed this looks ugly, right? This looks disgusting. So we're gonna make it look nice. So how we can do that is go ahead and in the element style ul underscore or ul dot nutrition, we're gonna set the padding to be 20 pixels, and then set the width of the li elements within that width. We're gonna set that to be 200 pixels, and then set the padding is gonna be 10 for the vertical, padding 10 pixels for the vertical, and then 20 pixels for the horizontal. And then we have a 3 pixel bottom margin to the same elements. So padding, margin, bottom, and you have a 3 pixels. Save, and that looks way nicer. Like incredibly nice. Yeah, that looks way nicer now. Because the facts now actually look fairly decent, right? So it actually looks decent. You can actually order. You see the calories and everything. So it looks very nice. Yeah. So and then we're gonna check this off. And good job. This menu item is looking great, and the layout and spacing is much more readable. If you like, you can continue refining the design or add your own spin. This looks very nice, by the way. Really love it. But yeah, that's gonna end it right here. And if you order, if you press the order, it's gonna just take you back to that screen, I believe. Let me see. Yeah. Alright, that's gonna end it right here. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you learned a little something or two about this. And yeah, if you enjoyed this, please consider subscribing. I'll see you guys in the next one, and have a fantastic day.